Hey guys, into this quick video, I'm going to compare the Preact with the React, and I'm going to talk about like what are the main differences between these two. So when we're gonna first look on the size, the Preact is lightweight. Also, now the React is larger. The Preact got faster rendering, but comparing to React, it got slower rendering comparing to Preact. The API, so similar to React, uses Preact compact for compatibility, and the React got comprehensive API, no need for additional libraries, so this is good. Use cases, so the React is suitable for complex scalable applications, but with the Preact, it's much better for the small applications. Community here is smaller community, and React got much larger community. So also documentation is well documented are both. Also compatibility. Now the Preact is highly compatible with React, requires additional libraries like Preact Compact, and the React just works without any additional libraries. Now the event handling. So with the Preact, you are going to have it highly compatible, like user browser, add event listen, no sending events. And then with the React, you can have implement synthetic event systems. Now you can have component reusability. So then you can have like high, and both are high. So they're like the React uses also reusable components. Then you can have also the mobile compatibility. So React got the excellent with React Native, and the mobile compatibility for Preact is limited for web applications, so you won't be able to do much for the mobile. Then also you're gonna have the dedicated CLI, so it got powerful PDA for development, and with the React, you create React app CLI, so then you can have also the complexity. Now the Preact is simple, easy to integrate with existing React projects, and React is more complex, but it requires like architecture knowledge, so this is something that you need to know. Then also you're gonna have things like Preact, like a server-side rendering, so less common, generally used for client-side only, and with the React it's efficient server-side rendering available. So that's pretty much it. I just want to make this like quick video and comparison for you, like what are the differences, and hope it helped you. So have a great day and goodbye.